Hi guys, good morning. So yan, this is our last day here in Siem Reap. Hi William.
Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome at the Siem Reap Villa in Siem Reap, Cambodia.
Ayan. So may sarili ka pang balcony. Yun yung advantage dito. Okay? Room 2B. Okay. So this is... Hi guys, good morning. So mag-villa tour muna tayo. Okay? Kasi dito sa Siem Reap naka-villa tayo. Okay? So ito yung villa kung saan tayo nag-book. Nabook ko siya via Agoda. Okay? So ilalagay ko sa description below kung paano nyo siya makikita sa Agoda. Pati yung WhatsApp number, yung pinaka-owner, ng owner mismo, ilalagay ko din siya para pwede nyo siya kontakin dito. Okay? So ito yung Agoda niya. Okay? And this is his WhatsApp number para makontak nyo siya. Okay? Ayan. So ngayon, punta tayo sa loob. Punta tayo dun sa room para makita nyo siya. Okay guys, so andito na kami sa Siem Reap, Cambodia. So this is our room, 2B. Okay? So this is a villa. See, wow, laki ng room, okay, laki ng bed, and pagligo mo dito, andito na si bathtub. Okay, nice. So may bidet. Hello. Okay, so may hot and cold shower. Ito yung toiletries niya, di ba umikot ako, nahilo kayo. Okay. Tapos, ano to? Let's see. Oh, may view. Okay, bintana pala yun. Okay. Television. Electric kettle. Tapos may outlet dyan. May free water. Ayun, may extension siya, which is good. And then aircon. Plus, meron siyang ceiling fan. O yan, para lumamig na kagad yung area. And then, eto. Oh, nice. Ang galing. Okay. So yan. So this is our room for 6 nights. Okay. So meron kami private balcony. Only for us. Pwede kaming kumain dito. Ito yung view. Okay. Yan siya. So ito yung room namin. So ilalagay ko sa description below kung ano yung link nito sa Agoda para mabook nyo siya. Ang taas ng rate niya sa Agoda, kaya ito na yung kinuha ko. Plus, yung bababaan mo ng bus or van from the border ng Cambodia sa Poi Phet. Okay? Going dito, 10 minutes walk lang siya. So, hindi mo na kailangan magtuktok. Pero kung gusto mo magtuktok, nasa 2 to 3 minutes lang siya. So, ganun. So, in our case, naglakad lang kami para makita namin yung area. So, nakita namin yung gusto namin kainan. So, for now, mag-relax muna kami, shower muna, and then tsaka kami lalabas para kumain. Okay? So, that's our room tour. By the way, guys, pahabol. Ano to? So, nandito pala yung ref. Okay, yan. So, pwede akong bumili ng mga something para palamig. And this is the Wi-Fi. Check ko yung Wi-Fi later. Okay? So, yan. Hi guys, so kung gusto niyo ng ganitong klaseng hotel, so nasa description below kung paano niyo mahahanap ito, kung paano niyo makakontak yung owner, dito kayo mag-book. At the same time guys, sobrang mumura niya, as in. Sa case namin, this is 6 days. Nasa 3,000 lang yung biniharan ko. Okay, ganun siya. Tapos sobrang laki. Okay, so air condition, meron pa siyang ceiling fan na hindi maingay. Okay, so kaya lagi kami tanghali nagigising kasi naka-DIY naman kami, okay? So, pero sa atin, sobrang sarap na tulog namin dito, always. Lagi kami naka-deep sleep. Ayan. Hi guys, so, William will going to tour us. He's going to invite us dito sa kanyang villa. Dito mismo sa may Siem Reap, okay? Dito kami nag-book. Bakit? 10 minutes away lang siya from the pub street. Ang kagandahan dito, hindi siya maingay. Okay? Sobrang kalmado ng area, malinis, at the same time, relaxing. Sa case namin, talaga nakapag-relax kami. Okay? So, I suggest, if you want to, to have a place like this, andyan sa description below, kontakin nyo siya. Now, here's William. Hi, William.
Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome at the Chit River Villa in Siem Reap, Cambodia. If you want to stay here, you will be welcome. And how you see, there is many trees, many flowers, many plants, so you can relax. Very nice, very good.
Where can they contact you? Do you have a WhatsApp number?
Yeah, you can join me on WhatsApp, +855 for Cambodia, and then 66 9072 316. Or
Okay.
you can find me also on Telegram with the same number.
How about in booking.com and Agoda? Do you have posted your villa in there?
Yeah, you can find me directly on Booking, but if you search directly in Agoda, you will be transferred on Booking.com.
Yeah. Okay. So yan. Thank you, William, for
You're
that.
welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ayan. Hi guys. Ito yung place ni William. Okay. So yan. So sobrang relaxing. As in, tahimik yung area. Hindi katulad dun sa pub street na sobrang ingay. So yan. So if you want to go here, thank you, William.
Thank you.
So this is his place. Sobrang laki ng area. Okay. And it is eco-friendly. Ay guys, ito yung loob ng villa. Okay. So, ang ganda ng style niya. As in, sobrang ganda. Tapos, malamig yung area. So, kahit sabihin mo mainit dun sa loob. Okay. So, malamig dito. At si William is very accommodating. Okay. Yun yung advantage. So, okay tayo. Nakahandan siya kasi nga, hindi naman ganun kataas eh. Kasi dito sa Siem Reap, alam niyo ba na bawal na magtayo ng building na mas mataas pa sa Angkor Wat? Okay? So, kailangan si Angkor Wat na ang pinakamalaki. So, this is our room. Okay? Ayan. So, we have a twin bed. Okay? We also have our bathtub. Ayan yung bathtub natin. Even provided with a... Actually, itong towel na to, pan-traveler. Ang galing, as in. And hot and cold. Okay. Ito is organic. Okay. Hindi yan yung lagayan talaga mismo. Diyan na yung lagay. Pero organic siya kasi si William naniniwala siya sa eco-friendly. So, the hotel is eco-friendly. Okay. So, if you want to help the environment, especially the world, punta kayo dito. Dito kayo mag-check-in. Okay. So, for us, as in, sobrang saya dito. And then, there's a television. Medyo magulo yung room namin ngayon. Okay, pero, i-attach ko din dito sa video na to, yung room namin, nung time na karating na namin. Meron siya mini ref. Okay. Yung manga pala, galing kay William, for free. Okay, hindi ko pa siya uubos. Mamaya ko siya kakainin. May table na ganyan maliit. And there's the workstation. Pwede ka mag-laptop dyan. This is the bed, may sarili kaming drawer, andyan lahat ng gamit nakakalat. And ito yung pinakamaganda sa lahat. There's a balcony. Okay? Nakita nyo naman, dyan ako naglaba. Okay? Sige.